DaBaby charters a private jet to fly his brother down to Miami for his birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. What's up? You know what I mean? What's up? You know what I mean? Yeah. We up out of here. Run out of blast out the door. Now I'm going beast mode with it. I got 15 bed weed laying on the floor. You with that? What's happening with the AC, baby? You don't put it in. Yeah. Go ahead, say hey. Yeah.
Hey, hello everybody.
Yeah.
I'm here with DaBaby.
Yeah.
He's the best one.
Yeah, the best one. You know what I'm saying?
Number one.
Yeah, there you go, pop it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. She liked the camera. She liked the camera. You see what I'm saying? She liked the camera. Hey, what's up, Doc? With me. With me, Doc. Hey, baby. I say mucho fuego.
Mucho fuego.
Yeah.
Just a second. It's gonna be
Yeah. Let me get one of them waters too, please. 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 You know what I'm saying? We gone, you know what I mean? Birthday trip for big bro. What's up? What we got? You know what I'm saying? My oldest brother. You know, all you freakos tell big bro happy birthday. Freakos only. Go. Freakos only right now.
Bring them all to me.
No, hold on, G, slow down. Hold on. All the freakos tell bro happy birthday. You see what I'm saying? You don't know who live here on talking like that. I'll tell you. I can't even put my phone up right now. Yeah, hold on. Y'all full of shit. Y'all they full of shit. Anyways, drink your motherfucking water, man. K2O. You know what I mean? Black owned business. A black owned business, you know what I'm saying? Owned by none other than the hottest young DJ producer in the world, DJ Kid. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh. I got my brother JB on here. Hold on, huh? G. You know what I'm saying? It's just, you know, it's just birthday behavior. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm on live, G. I'm on live, man. I ain't talking about. I ain't got no juice. I ain't talking about. I'm just rapping. Apple juice. Youngster, what's happening? Got it. Hold on. Hey, y'all got the Wi-Fi on today, right? Y'all turn that Wi-Fi on today. I'm going live. Man. 10,000 feet up in the air.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Anyway, birthday trip for big bro. Y'all be good, all right? Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool? See what I'm saying? Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool? We gone. I'm good. Yeah. Y'all to meet me in Miami.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.